of this little mini course is going to be, first I will talk about what is the problems that Redux is trying to solve. Why do we need it? What is it? What does it consist of? What is the components inside Redux? The basic data flow using Redux. Then we will jump into our tutorial, which is a simple counter. I will show you right here what I mean. So this is the final project that we will have in the end. This is a, a simple counter where you can increment and decrement and clear it and enter your own number. And this is all done using our own Redux actions and our own Redux reducers. So this is not using the component state inside vanilla React. And we will make another actions file, and we will also have another reducer. So we'll be using multiple reducers, and we will import the actions and use them and our reducer and so on inside of our component. So, but we will go through this step by step and build it up gradually, so you will not be introduced to too many concepts at one time. So hopefully the pace I'm doing it in will make sense to you and gradually introduce you to the Redux concept. So let's get on to talking about what is Redux and why would you use it.